Minister Lokesh. Anybody else wants to weigh in on the threats? Because we've spoken enough about this, but otherwise, Mr. Lokesh, my last question is to you. India has this AI mission, government of India, right? Compute capacity for the country. Some thoughts on that, and of course, how is the state collaborating with the center in order to help or do all of these things?
I mean, India's AI mission is the first step in the right direction, but I think we need to do a lot more.
Of course.
No second thoughts about it. I mean, that's why we have the panel here, because I wanted to hear from the experts on how should a state in India transform its entire approach to education, apart from creating a temple of excellence of higher learning and AI university. Apart from that, how do we transform education fundamentally? And how do I create next generation job creators and job seekers for jobs that we don't know? And that for me is fundamentally scary. And that's the thing that we are sort of grappling with as a state. And I think that's what also makes it very exciting for us. India has been the biggest beneficiary of the Y2K. Way back in 2000, and then of course we moved on to various other services, and now I think AI presents a unique opportunity for India again to leapfrog. But we also believe that AI should be a way of life. A housewife should be able to understand, use it. As I said in my opening remarks, a carpenter, a student for better understanding of concepts. Politicians should ethically use it. We've seen deep fakes coming in with generative AI. We've seen it especially in the last elections. So I think there's a lot of uncertainty ahead of us, but I think it's very interesting times, and I think, as you've said, how do we create a framework for all of us to sort of operate it, and it doesn't create any ethical and moral dilemma and physical harm at the end of it.
Powerful thoughts here from a lot of answers that have come in for what a state can do, collaborating with other stakeholders to create the next generation AI winners. Professor Lee, I use that term very carefully now.